get right into this Greenworks Power 24 17-in-1 lawnmower, electrical lawnmower. It was just about that time to get a new one because I've been using my gas lawnmower for about quite some time. And I told my landlord, I said, I need a new lawnmower because the gas one is no longer gassing. It's no longer working. So she sent me this new electrical lawnmower. Now, I was so excited to put it together, but a little bit nervous. But it was easy to put together, very simple. So let's put this bad boy together. Okay, I'm bringing it outside, and we're going to give this thing a try, okay? Okay, guys, so far as my daughter's graduation, I can't believe I left my cell phone at home. On one of the biggest days of my life, I left my cell phone at home. And I'm a vlogger. So the vlog, I had to use my daughter's phone to vlog some of the ceremony, but I was really just trying to enjoy her walking across the stage, and me leaving my phone really irked my nerves. But I was able to get some footage of the graduation. Make sure you congratulate my daughter, Jamera Kelly, down below in the comment section. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Like I said, this lawnmower is not sponsored, but it's a great buy. It's a great use. It has a mulching section on there. I didn't add the bag to it because it was a little difficult to add the bag. And the bag would usually probably catch all the grass, but I have it on the mulching. Y'all, I went swimming today, so I got on my swimming suit. Get you one. Buy one of these. Excuse me, mowing the lawn in the swimming suit, but it felt so good because it was like dang near 90 degrees outside. It was really hot. So just coming out the swimming pool, I'm like, I'm about to do this line. I'm still kind of wet from the swimming pool, so I was nice and cool out there just in my swimming suit, feeling all cute, using my new lawnmower. I know the neighbors is across the street, and seeing me, looking like Miss Parker, mowing the lawn. But yeah, so that's why I got my swimming suit on.
She a baddie, she show her panty. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking her spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. Or the hating bitches to the back. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn bitches be going outside. She a baddie, she show her panty. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Feeling the smooch and I'm showing my Gucci. PJs to Emilio Pucci. I look like bitches like shout out to Lucy. If she bad, then I let her seduce me. I'm the shit, I'm that bitch, I'm his poopy. Juicing my top got me feeling real loopy. 40-inch middle parted. He got all my pics hearted. They all like damn, I still feel be the hardest. I'm not a regular artist. Gra. Go cool and I'm just getting started. Baddies are baddies, they know how to move. Hooters are hooters, they know how to ooh. Bustin' that pack going straight to the moon. Off the juice, acting loose. She a baddie, she show her panty. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty.
Why my bad bitch? I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She thinking she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now a
volume,
bitch,
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker.
All right, y'all. So we're cutting the yard. The yard is looking pretty good. We got a little bit more to do. Then we're gonna mow the backyard. And I'm just trying to get this yard together, y'all, because it's a lot of grass. But this electric lawnmower works so good. I really like it. I like it because it's lightweight. It's easy to put together, easy to turn on, and yeah, I love it. So y'all need to get y'all one, okay? Get you one. Also, my mom-in-law bought me these fake flowers. These flowers are fake. So I think I'm gonna put them over here by the tree. Y'all let me know where should I put these fake flowers. But I think I'm gonna put them over here. I think I'm gonna put them over here, like decorate this little area up.
Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Wow, the front yard looks great. Let's see what we can do, what this grass cutter electric can do. This is my backyard. It's a hot mess. I'm gonna try to get some of this done today because I want to get my yard looking good for the summer. I want to have patio furniture. I might want to put a swimming pool in the back here. It's a mess. I really need to call some people to help me. It's a lot of land. It's a lot of grass. So let's see what this electric blower can do. Wow, let's take a look at the cut, guys. This is what it did. Wow, what y'all think? That made a great, huge difference in the backyard. What y'all think? We gotta clear this area because my air conditioner is not kicking out because I think it's just too much weeds around the air conditioner. Plus we got to dust it off, keep it clean so it can blow that cool central air in the house. But we're gonna try to get some of this done. That looks really good. Let's keep going. Okay guys, so I think we used all the electric up for right now, but that's what the grass looks like. This is what we got to do that's left. So far so good. I think it's just the power is just a little bit wore out because I already did the front yard and a little bit of the backyard. I'll probably continue this tomorrow. That's it. But yeah, it works really great. I love it, guys. Y'all need to get one. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the batteries out and put them on a charger. Okay, just open it up. Take out the 2 batteries. I'm gonna put them on the charge. All right, so this is our little charger port. We got it plugged in. We take our batteries and we just stick them on the charge like this. Okay, and then it'll light up. Red means that it is out of power. So it's got to charge. We're gonna charge the other one up. Let's turn the other ones on.